Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming limits because the only reliable way to increase AirPods volume is to remove software caps. Open Settings and check Sound and Haptics, Headphone Safety, and Volume Limit. Once done, make sure your AirPods are connected and show adequate battery. Low power can throttle output. Also disable noise control modes that compress dynamics. I explain why. These settings can cap peak level, so adjusting them first lets the next steps actually raise loudness rather than fight a software ceiling. You now push system and app audio to their maximum because AirPods output follows the source. Use the side buttons or control center to raise iPhone volume to 100%. Then go back to headphone safety and either disable it or set the limit to 100%. This removes the software ceiling. Next, open the app you use for audio and raise in-app volume. Make sure EQ presets that cut bass or lower overall gain are off. A flat or boosted EQ preserves perceived loudness and clarity. You finish by applying a controlled boost and verifying hardware. If you still need more level, use a reputable volume-boosting app or the system EQ to add 3.6 dB. Small gains preserve fidelity. Once done, test playback. If volume remains low, reset your AirPods and forget/repair them in Bluetooth settings to clear corrupt profiles. Make sure to try multiple audio sources to determine if the issue is the AirPods themselves. One troubleshooting tip. If resetting fails, low output often indicates hardware fault or ear tip seal problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.